What is up, ladies and gentlemen? My name is Varun Gupta and this is It's Everything Men. On this channel, we discuss various men's lifestyle topics such as fitness, fashion, style, grooming, and overall personality development for men. I invite you to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you guys never miss a video from me. And in today's video, we're going to be talking about 4 muscle building techniques that will help you gain muscle faster and transform your body from even to overweight to more muscular and more jacked. Okay, first of all, I'm not a certified personal trainer. If you want to learn from a person who has done it, who's been there, who's done all the mistakes and learned from it over the years, and I don't want you guys to do the same mistakes that I did, you can watch this video till the end. You won't regret at all. We are not gonna talk about the diet part, which is obviously more important. In this video, we're solely gonna be talking about 4 muscle building workout techniques. So without wasting any time, let's get right into it. The first technique I want you guys to implement in your workout is to go for the right posture. By right posture, I mean neutralizing your body, and this neutralization of body will work in most of your exercises. What do I mean when I say neutralizing your body? We'll go from top to bottom. On the top, upper body, how do we neutralize it? We push our shoulders back and down. We don't think in our brain that we're making an arc on our back. Arc is not important. All we have to do is push our shoulders back and down. And the second thing I want you guys to do is to neutralize your lower body. How are we gonna do that? We're gonna tuck our butt in like this. This is my butt, not neutralized. This is not the position we're going for. Don't stick your butt out. Neutralize it. Neutralize it. Neutralize it. This is how we do it. By neutralizing your body, you're gonna make sure that you don't injure yourselves even though you're lifting heavy on those heavy days. Let me demonstrate to you guys what I mean by neutralizing your body while performing an exercise. Let's say we're performing side lateral raises. First, we're gonna tuck our shoulders back and down, and then we're gonna stick our butt in. This is now a neutralized position from top to bottom. Then in this position, I'm gonna perform the exercise. Raise it up. Now that we have already discussed the starting position of our exercise, the next thing we want to do is how we're going to perform our reps. I want you guys to perform the first half number of reps slowly. What do I mean by that? If you're aiming for 10 reps in a particular exercise, I want you guys to perform first 5 reps very slow. What this is gonna do is it's gonna make sure that you recruit all your muscle fibers in that particular muscle group that you're training. For example, let's say we're aiming for 10 reps. What I want you guys to do is perform the first 5 reps very slow. Very slow. And the next 5 you can perform normally. What this is gonna do is it's gonna recruit all your muscle fibers on your shoulder area in the first 5 reps, and the next 5 reps are going to be more painful for the muscle. So the muscle is going to grow fast. There's going to be more blood flow in that particular area which you're training. This brings me to the third technique, which is to stretch your muscle group while in the middle of sets. What do I mean by that? Let's say we're training shoulders again. What I want you guys to do is perform shoulder stretches in the middle of your sets. A rep consists of contraction and retraction. When we retract, let's say we're performing shoulder presses again. This is contracting my shoulder muscles and this is retracting. This is the stretching position and this is the squeeze position. When our shoulders are loose and not so tight, there's going to be a better stretch on our shoulders and there's going to be more range of motion and eventually more gains. What stretching will do is it will loosen up your shoulder muscles. Most of the people I've seen when they're training shoulders, they bring the dumbbells until here, and if they're asked to bring them down, they say that their shoulders are paining. This is the reason that their shoulders are paining. They do not stretch their muscle groups before getting into the workout or before getting into the set. So when they stretch fully, their body does not allow it because the shoulders are still tight. This was the third technique. This is gonna get you to perform the exercise in a much proper and injury-free way, and you will have more range of motion in each and every exercise you perform, be it shoulders, be it triceps, be it back, or any other body part. All you have to do is stretch when you're done with one set. Last but not the least technique to give your muscle more pain and force them to grow is to hold the contraction position at the last rep for a longer period of time. Let's say you've already performed 10 reps of shoulder presses. Now instead of completing your set right away on the 10th rep, what you're gonna do is hold here for a 5 to 10 second time period. You might have seen so many bodybuilders on the internet performing any set and then squeezing their muscle groups or posing in the middle of sets. Why do they do that? Not just for showing off in front of the mirror. They do it because it ensures that more blood flow will take place in that particular muscle group. This technique equals the same. Instead of just without any weight, you're holding that last rep with weight and you're just squeezing and focusing on that muscle. This will also increase mind-muscle connection and it will eventually lead to more muscle growth. These were my favorite techniques which I implement in each and every workout, and I've been making decent gains since then.